sila, nagsuswimming sila ngayon. Ayun si Commander, si Athena, si Chervin. Ayun ang mami niya. Ito ba?
Bak! Ba't ni Mama doon yung tinabi niya?
Andun.
Ha? Saan?
Babalik ako ulit.
Kailan ni Mama?
Ha?
Kailan ni Mama? Ay, marunong nga!
Nasa si Kulot. Nasa si Kulot. Ay, nasa si Kulot. Ay, ikot lang ako. Tignan ko lang yung apo ko isa. Maganda rin itong resort na to eh. Maraming maraming swimming pool. May pambata. Ay, enjoy na enjoy sila. Ayan, namuya na. Nakaba ako. Okay, ito si Sarina eh. Ano nangyari kay Sarina? Wala ka rito. Budin sila, sayang. Oh my God. Sarina rin ito. Nahanap ko Sarina eh. Where's is Sarina? I'm looking for Sarina. I think she's somewhere here. Let me see. Si Sarina. Hi. There she is. Yeah, she's enjoying swimming. I'm just looking for Sarina. Sarina! I'm just calling her. Okay. Well, I'm going down to the other side. Oops. There's plenty of people here because today is Saturday. They spending their time with their family. Okay, looking for this. Here she is. Hello, Sarina. Sarina! Ay! Sarina! Mag-ingat ka ha! Okay. She wants to learn swimming.
Tawag ka muna ni tatay nila eh.
Swimming ka! Kawag! Oh my God. My little girl. Oh yeah. It's nice swimming pool. So I'm going back to my to my cottage. Ito si Kate. Doon anak mo. Nandun ang anak mo. Bakit?
Bago nga. Sining mo.
Okay.
Parang hindi naman di siya malaw.
So this is a nice place, and you can see this one. This is elevated area.
Ayan.
A lot of swimming pool. One thing is nice here is the trees. The ambient is fine. I'll be doing. Oh yeah. I'm here now to our cottage. Alright. Here we go.